Hi everybody. This day I talked about the pronunciation vowels. The pronunciation vowel, the first is just lovers. Is when your mouth is open. Is like the first sound vowel sound is e, 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 e. Is like the word me, me. If you see the mouth is tense about like the chips when you pronounce these vowels. E, e. Example, the words me, me. The second vowel sound is e, e, e. In this case, your mouth is a little open. A little open. Your mouth and chip is lax. It's not tense because when you pronounce this vowel, is your mouth, the area mouth and chip is lax. Is the example word is like it, it. Can you see my mouth and the lips is very a little open? Is the word it, it. The next vowel sound is a, a, a. You can see my mouth is the when you pronounce a, a. Your mouth is a little open. The first is a little open. Is the next when you pronounce e is like the before vowel sound e. In this case is a, a, like the words eight, eight. The next vowel sound is a, a, a. You can see my mouth. My mouth is mouth opens more, and the before letter in the lips and chip the area is lax because you know the tense about the mouth and chip. Eh, but your mouth is very open. It's like, for the example, is eh, eh, eh. The next letter is the vowel sound is eh, eh, eh. And this, the example is like the word fat, fat. The mouth is open, but it's not tense. It's lax. Ah, ah, ah. It's like the word fat, fat. And the last one is a vowel sound. Ah, ah, ah. In this case, your mouth is very, very open, and your chip, lips, and the mouth is tense because when you pronounce this sound, uh, open very love the mouth, and for example, the word like hot, hot, hot. This is so. These are the jab lowers, mouth opens. when you open very high the your mouth, and when you pronounce this vowel. And you can see my mouth, how the jab move from a closed position to an open one during pronunciation of the vowel sequence. I repeat, e, e, me, e, 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 it, a, 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 eight, a, 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 egg, a, a, a. In the last one, ah, ah. Becoming familiar with his progression and understanding the relationship of, the vowel to another will help you with your pronunciation of the vowel in section. Of this manual, uh, if, for example, um, the phonetic symbol E represents a sound between E and A. It's a pronunciation with the jab and the tongue will rise more than for A, 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 but not as much as for E. Um, More example that this pronunciation um, have the in the vowel sound E have it, ill, is, easy. And in the case the vowel E, vowel sound E, E. Remember, lips are relaxed and slightly parted, and jab is a little lower tongue for E. I'm sorry, E. In the tongue is high but lower than for E. For example, is, if, it, ill, into, ink. And the next vowel sound is I don't remember, is a, a, a. The example have a, may, they, and the other more. Remember, you can do this pronunciation if you practice always. Remember, practice, and pronunciation. You can do it to do this. Well, I hope like this lesson. Remember, you can do it, and God bless you. Bye.